Hello everyone, it's been a long time since I have made a video now. Various reasons for that, but a lot of things have been done in one way, in another way not too much. I have remade many of the coils and bought some stuff like an amplifier that I've been told it's been good for this stuff. And an oscilloscope. I don't remember if I had that last time I made a video, but and also have tried with making this one, which is pretty much exactly the way Daniel makes his, just to see if that works and how that works. And I have made a smaller version. And this one, which I showed last, I think, added just more wires and a smaller version of that one. They all work in a different way, though what I noticed with this exact, or not exact, but this version of making it, you can only then connect it in one way for it to work. While if you have these, or the way he did it previously, you have more options. This is the amplifier that many others also use. And now I'm pretty much just going to show that yes, you have over unity, though not too much, or the coil is not running optimally because of this is an audio amplifier that only works at approximately or efficiently at below 20 kilohertz. It works a little bit above, but not too much, so if you go too high it's very little efficient. So this coil actually works most efficiently at 39 kilohertz, but that's too high, so I'm just running in it, as you can see, 27. But you still get some, and as you can see here, blue is out from the coil and yellow is into the coil. I'm just measuring directly in and out of the coil now. And here is two identical measuring instruments that is measuring the currents, measuring the signal current here into the coil, and this one is measuring the DC output because I'm running it through two rectifier diodes here with capacitor. So it's a DC current and an AC current in, DC current out. And the DC voltage directly over the LEDs here is measured 98 volts. So we have, as you might be able to see here, 70 volts signal in with 13 milliamps, and 98 volts and 18 milliamps DC running through the LEDs here. So it makes it about, if you compare the AC measurement in and the DC out, you get approximately twice the effect in wattage. So yes, you have, but I'm still working on a way to make it without running it through an audio amplifier, make my own circuits. I have made my own oscillator circuit here with variable frequency, but I'm still working on the amplifier circuit, which is only like this at the moment, very simplistic, but still it does the job of amplifying the signal but it doesn't trigger the coil, kind of. So we need to stabilize it and some stuff work with it. I'm not sure yet, but that's something I'm still working on. Not going to show the schematics for the oscillator here because that varies with what kind of operation amplifier you're using, because they're not completely the same. So depending on which operation amplifier you're using, you need to look in this in the documents following it, the worksheet, where there is an example of circuits, and mostly there is an multi-vibrator circuit there that you can use as a reference, because they are a little bit different depending on which one. So yeah, that was it for this time, so take care and good journey in your life experience. Bye bye.